Hello, it's Garnet again, and I'm going to continue on this basic theme. Let's talk about the three components of the Neuro Light. They're called brain gym, brain food, and brain skills. Now, to not be confusing, the brain gym and the brain skills are together in the light and sound unit that we call the Neuro Light. The brain food is an essential component of the triune of brain gym, brain food, and brain skills. The brain food is actually delivered through a compatible but separate small device about the size of a small cell phone that introduces light into your bloodstream through your nose in the nasal passages. So there are three aspects: brain gym, brain food, brain skills. Brain gym are the light and sound signals that you use to build up the vitality of your brain, to build up, you could say, the fitness level. You can think of fitness of your body, but do you think of fitness of your brain? The technical term is the neuroplastic capacity, the capacity that your brain has to experience ongoing neuroplastic change, change that you want, direct the change. So that's the brain gym, building up your neuroplastic capacity, your brain fitness. In the brain gym, you also have the ability to work at maintaining a level of fitness. So once you build it to where you want it, then you can maintain it as a kind of sustaining or maintaining aspect. So that's the brain gym. Think of it as brain exercise to build and maintain your brain vitality. The number two, the brain food, that's the separate unit. The light goes in your nose. It's not the same flashing light. It's a red light that goes in your nose. And the brain food is incredibly important because for the brain to do what it does, it needs high levels of energy. And this red light can actually increase the mitochondrial ATP energy in your brain. You know, the brain is the energy hungry organ in the body, that it consumes 10 times more than any other organ. It's really, really hungry. So we want to make sure that as you build your capacity, sustain your capacity, that you have enough energy to fulfill the demands that will come along. So that's the second one. I said first was brain gym, second is brain food. The third one, brain skills, that's the learning aspect. Those are all of the compositions of light and sound that allow you to communicate with your brain, in a sense, to help educate your brain, help your brain learn how to do what you would like it to do, how to work through certain kinds of emotional quandaries, how to work through certain cognitive, concentrative, creative processes, work through deep meditative processes. The list goes on and on. There's really no one that I can think of that wouldn't benefit by helping their brain learn better. So you could think of it maybe like the three E's, if you like: exercise, energy, and educate. Exercise, that's the brain gym. Energy, that's the brain food. Educate, that's the brain skills. So when you think of the Neuro Light, think of three: brain gym, brain food, brain skills. Brain gym, brain skills are the one device, the flashing sound. The middle one, brain food, is a separate device introducing energy into your bloodstream, feeding your brain its favorite food. Its favorite food is light. Thanks.